All right, guys, here we go. Stihl 044 Magnum from 1998. Complete rebuild. We'll be testing her today. First test run with a 25-inch bar. Got the oversized clutch on it. We'll see how well she starts here for a brand new rebuild. The specifications for RPMs on this are 2,700 for idle and 14,000 fairly high RPM saw. So 14,000 on the maximum overspeed. I'll probably not exceed 13,500 until the saw is broken in. So we'll just kind of see where we're sitting at here. See if we can get her tuned and make sure we don't have any air leaks. I'll get you set up. All right, let's see what we got going here. How many pulls it'll take and whether we've got success. So I will start by letting it warm up, give it a couple minutes for that, and then I will start on the low jet to ensure that we have our idle speed correct, and then I will proceed to test throttle up at that same time to make sure we have good throttle response, and then we'll proceed towards the high jet to ensure that we're not exceeding or encroaching upon the 14,000 RPMs and keeping her at a little below that, at least for break-in. See how she goes. Not a good sign. She should start sooner. Choke is on. You can see the starter cord here needs some adjustment. Not a great start. Could just be the carburetors need setting. So she isn't idling too bad just by the sounds of it. That saw should not start that hard. So there's something going on there, possibly with the carburetor. Notice it's not bogging down on throttle up, so perhaps it doesn't have enough fuel. We'll have to see. But I had to go back to choke after it first popped to get it to start up. Notice how it seems to be bogging a little bit when I throttle, so it's not responding great. There's a chance it might be getting a little bit too rich on the low jet, so I'm gonna punch that up a little bit and see what happens. Alright, so we had to do a little bit of fooling around with both the idle screw and the low jet. We've got the high jet tuned now to about 11,600, 11,000 or 13,600 to 700, and the low jet right at around 2,700. It still sounds like it's bogging a little on throttle up, but it's not too bad. We're dump testing it and it's doing fine, no apparent air leaks. We're going to shut it off and see how it warm starts. Alright, so there you go. Stihl 044 Magnum. Nice saw. I think we may have gotten her, but we'll know again after we put it through some more heat cycles and start it cold again. Hopefully we've solved the cold start problem. The throttle up is actually okay, and you heard it gurgling there towards the end. As I was throttling it up, it was 4-stroking on the high end, which is what we want to see. Earlier when I was doing that, you may have noticed it screaming, and I had it over 14,000 RPMs. And you just don't want to do that. You'll burn up your saw. Alright, so next video will probably be showing actually putting this under load and feeding it some wood. Old man out.